In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to change the colors of your sales territories. The first way to change your colors is to select the Recolor tool that is found on the Home menu. Clicking on the Recolor tool, your cursor will change to a paint bucket. So let's zoom into an area here to Denver. Using this paint bucket, which is our Recolor tool, I will click on the Denver territory and you'll see the color changes every time I click with my mouse. These colors are part of a color palette that is set by default. To change your color palette, you simply click on the Map tab, and then you can select different color palettes from this menu here. Clicking on the drop-down menu, you will see different palettes that you can choose from. But let's go back to our Cosmix palette and click back on the Home menu. And let's go ahead and change our tool back to our Pan tool. Now let's right-click on a territory to pull up our radial tool. Here we have a lot of different options to choose from, but one of those is the Color button. Clicking on this color button, you can actually choose a custom color that is not part of your color palette for this territory. So you can simply move the cursor around to choose a different color here, or you can change the RGB numbers to match a certain color that you are looking for. So let's click on OK. You can also right-click on that territory and access the territory properties. From here, you can also change the color of your territory by using this button here. Here you get a different type of color palette to choose from, where you can simply click on those different colors and it will automatically change the color of your territory. Let's go ahead and click OK. The final way to change your territory colors is to open up a territory table, and then you can simply double click on the color box next to your territory ID, and that will pull up the color selection box that we saw earlier from the radial tool. And from here you can also change your colors or type in a custom number for the RGBs, click OK, and that color will change automatically in this view and also in your map view. And there you go. You've just learned how to change the territory colors here in AlignMix.